If your shower is clogged and you're seeing metal flakes or gritty black stuff coming up when you try to plunge it, you're probably dealing with old, damaged pipes and some serious drain buildup. Here's exactly how to clear a clogged shower drain in an old building, even if you know nothing about plumbing. First off, don't stress if you've never done this before, because most shower clogs in old buildings are way nastier than you'd expect, thanks to years of gunk and rust breaking down inside the pipes. Grab a basic drain snake from your local hardware store. These usually cost around $20 and are super easy to use. Unscrew the drain cover with a screwdriver or butter knife and set it aside. Just don't drop the screws down the drain, trust me. Stick the snake into the drain and twist it as you push it down. You'll probably hit some resistance, which is just all that gross buildup. Keep feeding the snake in and twisting until you can't go any further, then slowly pull it out. Get ready for some nasty stuff to come up, but that's normal. Wipe off the debris and repeat the process a few times until you stop pulling up gunk. Run hot water down the drain for a good 5 minutes to help flush out any loose bits left behind. If it's still not draining right, try pouring a mix of baking soda and vinegar down there. Wait 15 minutes, then flush again with hot water. One of the biggest mistakes people make with clogged shower drains in old buildings is just relying on chemical drain cleaners, which can actually eat away at already damaged pipes and make things worse. Stick to snaking and natural cleaners instead. Another common issue is not removing the drain cover before snaking, which means you're not reaching the actual clog, so always pop that cover off first. Lastly, a lot of folks give up after the first try if the water doesn't drain right away. But honestly, with old plumbing, it can take 2 or 3 rounds of snaking and flushing before it's fully cleared, so be patient and persistent. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for finding trustworthy local plumbers who have solid reviews from real homeowners, so you don't have to gamble with random listings if this fix doesn't work or gets too overwhelming. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for more jobs or want to build your reputation in your area, it's a great place to get noticed by homeowners who actually need your help.